Welcome to How to Internet. In this video I will explain you how to loop a video in the YouTube app. It is very easy, so let's start. First, open the YouTube app on your smartphone. Then select the YouTube video that you want to loop. It will automatically play when you tap the video. Press the three dots on the top right to go to the settings of your YouTube player. Now press Loop Video. When the video ends, it will automatically restart until you turn off Loop Video. When you pause the video, it will pause and stop. The video will also stop when you leave the YouTube app or when you pause the video. And that is how to loop videos on the YouTube app. I hope this tutorial has helped. For more tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.